Public education is mind-numbing. Americans, I think American, probably Canadian and most Western countries, they know, the students know that they can learn more than what they're learning. But the system doesn't want to teach more than what it's teaching. In eighth grade, I think it was eighth grade, I had done the same math problems in seventh grade and the same math problems in sixth grade that I was doing in eighth grade. And all that stuff really should have been taught in elementary school, maybe third or fourth grade. Should have been taught the math levels. The math levels. I mean, multiplying fractions and dividing fractions in eighth grade and figuring out percentages, should that be done in fourth grade or something like that? Maybe fifth grade? And then move on to something else. If you go over to Japan or China or the Philippines, a lot of these countries out east, they want to teach their students a lot. Our schools in the United States don't want to teach their children a lot. I mean, it's a waste of taxpayers' money to teach me the same thing 3 years in a row. I mean, it wasn't just a refresh of it. They were actually teaching the exact same thing for 3 years, the exact same math. I remember that specifically. I had to beg my teacher, Mrs. Duchess, in the eighth grade. I said, please let me take out. She was holding the keys to that. I said, please let me take algebra. Please let me take algebra in ninth grade. Please, please, please. I was begging her, and she let me. Why are we trying to restrict education while charging taxpayers a premium?